Welcome back to Motor Minds. Look at this beauty, the Lamborghini Aventador. A machine so loud, so wild, and so unapologetically aggressive, it might just shake your soul. Today, we're diving deep into one of the last true-blooded V12 monsters in the supercar world. A car that doesn't care about being subtle, green, or practical. It's here to make a statement, and that statement is power. So buckle up, hit that like button if you're a fan of roaring engines, and let's explore every inch of this beast. Let's start with the exterior. The Aventador isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of artwork. Lamborghini has sculpted it with razor-sharp lines, extreme aerodynamics, and futuristic Y-shaped LED lights that give it a signature look day or night. The low and wide stance, massive side air intakes, and center exit exhaust look like they were pulled straight from a fighter jet. And of course, the scissor doors, a Lamborghini trademark, open upward, adding pure drama every time you get in or out. Whether it's parked or flying past you at 200 miles per hour, the Aventador demands attention. Carbon fiber details, lightweight alloys, and a stealth fighter aesthetic make it one of the most aggressive designs on the road. Now inside, things get even more dramatic. The cockpit is a blend of hardcore performance and high-end luxury. Think of it as a spaceship meets Italian fashion house. You're surrounded by leather, Alcantara, exposed carbon fiber, and a digital cluster that adapts to your driving mode. The center console is high and angular, separating driver and passenger like a race car. And yes, that red flip-up start button cover feels like launching a missile every time you turn the car on. The seats are tight but comfortable, hugging you in corners without killing your back. Even though it's low to the ground, the seating position gives you full control. It feels like you're wearing the car rather than sitting in it. Alright, now let's get to the heart of the Aventador. The soul-shaking 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. No turbos, no hybrids, just pure old-school combustion. This thing cranks out 730 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque, screaming all the way to 8,500 RPM. 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, and a top speed north of 217 miles per hour. That's not just fast, it's neck-snapping. And thanks to the 7-speed single-clutch ISR transmission, gear shifts hit like a punch. It's raw, brutal, and absolutely addictive. You get all-wheel drive, a pushrod suspension setup derived from F1, and adaptive damping that reads the road in real time. Whether you're carving mountain roads or flooring it on a highway straight, the Aventador delivers ridiculous grip and laser-sharp response. But let's be real, this isn't a daily cruiser. It's loud, stiff, and unapologetically wild. And that's exactly what makes it amazing. Now you might not expect safety to be a talking point in a supercar, but Lamborghini didn't skip it. You got a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, front and side airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, and ABS with EBD. While it lacks more modern ADAS features like lane assist or adaptive cruise, that's not the point here. This car expects you to be the driver, fully engaged, fully alert. And with all that grip and stability tech behind you, it gives confidence in high-speed conditions. Let's talk unique selling points. First, that glorious V12, one of the last of its kind. In a world going hybrid and electric, the Aventador sticks to tradition with a naturally aspirated power plant that roars like thunder. Second, the looks. There's just nothing else that looks this bold. Third, the presence. Wherever you go, heads turn, phones come out, jaws drop. You're not just driving a car, you're commanding attention. And finally, the exclusivity. With limited production numbers and many models tailored to buyer specifications, owning an Aventador means you're part of an elite club. Now let's talk price. The base Aventador will set you back around $500,000, But let's be honest, nobody's buying the base model. Add in options, custom paint, upgraded wheels, interior finishes, and you're quickly looking at $600,000 to $700,000 territory. And if you're going for a special edition, like the SEJ or Ultimae, that's even higher. But you're paying for rarity and raw automotive theater. It's not just a car, it's an event every time you fire it up. So what's the verdict? The Lamborghini Aventador isn't just fast, it's ferocious. It's not just good looking, it's otherworldly. It's not practical, it's not subtle, and it doesn't try to be. But that's exactly why it stands out. This is a car for the passionate, the bold, and the thrill seekers. In an age of efficiency and silence, the Aventador is loud, raw, and emotional. A dying breed of true supercar greatness. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Lamborghini Aventador, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next Motor Mind Spotlight. Catch you in the next ride.